Welcome, you're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Sarumbai, bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: Meghalaya Chief Minister unveils Wayajer Multi-Sports Complex, announces thriving sports initiatives. Meghalaya government set to announce 3,000 vacant posts in police department. Meghalaya government to unveil Tirot Singh statue in Dhaka. And Auxilium Skills Training Center celebrates youth achievement. And now the news in detail. On January 23rd, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated the Wayajer Multi-Sports Complex in Wayajer, West Jaintia Hills. The ceremony graced by Deputy Chief Ministers Prastun Tinsong and Snya Bhalangdhar, Sports Minister Shakliar Warjari, MLAs, MDCs, officers and enthusiastic locals marked a significant stride in Meghalaya's sports infrastructure. Sangma expressed gratitude for the collective effort in making the day memorable, emphasizing the government's 5-year commitment to fostering sports. Anticipating further progress, he announced Jaintia Hills as the host for the 2025 Meghalaya Games, urging local support. The day featured the third Snya Bhalang football tournament, showcasing Sopho SC versus Nokro SC. Sangma revealed plans for a statewide inter-constituency football match involving 60 constituencies. The government's dedication to elevating sports in Meghalaya promises a vibrant future for athletic pursuits in the state.
We are all joined by everybody here. I also would like to thank our former sports minister, Bapaidan, who was responsible for actually sanctioning this project. Let's give a big hand to Bapaidan also. And with that, I declare this stadium as inaugurated. I'm also happy to inform you that the Honorable Sports Minister is very keen to take sports to new heights for our state, and he has a target to ensure that Meghalaya becomes #1 in sports in the Northeast at least. I can assure him and assure the people of the state that we will be 100% behind this target. We will support the infrastructure creation. We will support the associations. We will support the athletes. We will provide infrastructure. We will provide games like these so that our youth are able to excel in the sports. We were just discussing that we are very keen and we are making the necessary plans to have a football tournament very soon, which will be an inter-constituency tournament. All 60 constituencies will compete and contest. And we would want the constituencies to have players only from their constituency and no hiring will be allowed. This will allow different regions to compete, different constituency players to go to different parts of the state and see the other parts and other constituencies, compete against each other, learn from each other, and more importantly, bring harmony, peace and unity among the people of our state. So friends, with these few words, I once again congratulate our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Master Bhalandhar and the entire department for the kind of work that has been done today. This infrastructure is world class. World class, and today the people of Natyan constituency and of Jaintia Hills should feel proud that such an infrastructure has come up in Jaintia Hills. Maybe this is one of the best infrastructures that we have in the state. I congratulate our Honorable Minister, I congratulate our Deputy Chief Minister, and I congratulate each and every one of you on this particular day. I wish both the teams that are playing today the very best. I'm sure after 70 teams have been played, this is the finals now. I wish all the players and the teams the very best. May the best team win. With these few words, I once again wish you all the very best. May God bless each and every one of us, and may God bless our beautiful state of.
The government of Meghalaya has finalized plans to declare 3,000 vacant posts within the police department, encompassing 500 positions in civil defence and home guard. Paul Lingdo, addressing the media, revealed that the government has reached an agreement on age limits for these diverse departments. The move aims to bolster the state's security apparatus.
There are effectively 4 such departments where, because of the physical nature of work requiring stamina and vigor, the minimum age limits have been set differently, as well as the upper age limit. So these are the departments of Civil Defence and Home Guards, Excise, Registration, Taxation and Stamps Department, ERTS, Forest and Environment Department, and the Home Police Department. These would the minimum age in these cases is between the range of 18 to 21 years of age, and the upper age limit, as decided by the cabinet today, has been fixed, ranging from 27 years in the case of ERTS department to 32 years in the case of Civil Defence and Home Guards department to 30 to 32 years in the case of Forest and Environment department, and 21 years as minimum age limit to 27 years as upper age limit where Home Police Department is concerned. We're also happy to announce here that within the next 2 to 3 weeks, we should be in a position to advertise various posts in these departments. There'll be about 3,000 plus posts in various categories in the Home Police Department, and about 500 such posts in the Civil Defence and Home Guards Department. So this is the sum and substance of.
The government of Meghalaya has confirmed its participation in revealing Tirot Singh's statue in Dhaka, Bangladesh on January 24th. Minister of Arts and Culture Paul Lingdo announced that the statue unveiling is scheduled for February 16, 2024, with Deputy Chief Ministers Nyabhalang Dhar and Paul Lingdo leading the inauguration.
Before departure for Dhaka, in fact, we have also included representatives from the media to be part of this entourage. The statue and the bus have been designed by RFL Wajri, and after a couple of PowerPoint presentations, including the visuals, this was approved by the Department of Arts and Culture, and as indicated, on the 16th, a high-level team led by Deputy CM, Mr. Nyabhalang Dhar, will be part of the unveiling program of the unveiling of the statue and the bust at Dhaka.
So the unveiling ceremony will be held on the 16th, or
on the
the
16th.
team will be leaving from here?
No, on the 16th. The official program is on the 16th February.
Bapal, coming to the what my friend was asking about HNLC thing. So, any special security measures is the state government arranging, because in view of the HNLC withdrawing from peace state?
As I said, the law and order situation in the state is very peaceful, and we do not see HNLC as enemies or people who we should be wary of, which is why we said that our doors of negotiations with them are still open. And that
Kapmara Bhoy Rambong's Auxilium Skills Training Center observed its second anniversary with a joyous graduation ceremony on January 24th. The institute proudly conferred certificates upon 29 accomplished youths who completed the Domestic Data Entry Operator program sponsored by the Meghalaya State Skills Development Society, Shillong. Another set of 10 youths received recognition for their achievements in self-employed tailoring. Notably, toppers Victoria Sten and Bestario Sten were lauded for their outstanding performances. The event, graced by chief guest Albinus Lingdo and eminent figures like R.S. Nongbri and Stephanie Nongbri, celebrated the centre's impactful contribution to skill development. Having trained 500 youths in various fields, Auxilium Skills Training Centre continues to be a beacon of empowerment and education.
Auxilium Training Center. Bakatmen bakani ka Auxilium Training Center kana yaki shakram badika yaki wei pat ki samla ke brakram ka manten ke de lage hati hati na pilihan yesu.
Bani berkati kami yang dalam kali kita berdoa berfikir. Dan setiap hari itu dia beri untuk 9% berdoa. Marbelai marma. Kajingira dan dia kajingira bentala. Yang sekalian ini Rabri ya kapanya gedung yang ini berada di langit boleh. Dalam Rabri untuk kejadian ini sangat long yok dia boleh. Boleh waktu ini kejadian ini perakunya ini. Bagi sekiranya yang belang, yang hilang, bagi boleh, benglah, boleh itu hakam. Bagi dilong cuma tolong. Abang kita nanti dalam kira semua. Dari mana yang dia dapat ini? Nomor dia dalam asosiasi ini bukan. Kan bagaimana yang dia menang dengan berbagai coba. Merayok dia semua bersejuk lain. Bagaimana? Nomor lain yang untuk semua. Ya perlu perayok yang sistar ada untuk kader. Jadi kalau kata yang sistar kami ini bukan yang sistar itu berisuh dengan apa? Memerlukan asyik dari tanpa sistar tu. Thok itu berisuh. Apa juga bagi perlu juga kalau orang kita lain. Kenapa begini yang disokong lain? Bagi apa kita bisa dipilihnya? Maka akhir dari kita. Terus lalu berguna. Subhan lebih gue. Ketika dia di sekitar insan mereka hanya bawa kabar apa irayok di sumber irayok berapa nanti kita mesti lakukan di virus itu poin lakukan cuma lagi di situ irayok ini berkat pahlawan juga di situ ada Soviet apa ayo turun ke penjara untuk tajuk ini ada suatu ada yang berkata berkhatam menaik kembali ikut Samla to yang minat lain mah hafidan hantar mereka Bapilong long ikunang aktifsi kemudian burung dan lekor. Lalu pilong ikunang aktifsi kemudian burung dan lekor. Baru teribang lagi. Kesudahan lagi. Kita buat lagi we. Don burung tengah mata. Don lain di proyek. Don di proyek. Di bawah di sutral. Saya don tadi pergi kalau pak ini mana. Di Rio kalau pak seperti ini tak kita semua tadi. Ibu boleh, ibu berjin, jual macam apa boleh hati, letering tempat jual boleh mengistikan. Jadi kalau semua, ambil masuk sekalian berkat bawa jabat, kalau terling dan biang mas berapa mas hak vertikal apa ni ngamlah rumah ni semua kerja nak sudah pam nak longan, nama Thai mau, apa seperti itu kami ni seperti semua Thai, tak seperti kami ni seperti Thai mau, baru baru dan dari OGP lalu melakukan konsultan. Tetapi kalau kita tipsi, kalau tipsi joki kita kenai itu, lagi kalau tipsi joki kita tak perlu departemen. Cuma asal jadi berapa tahun banyak kita joki. Tetapi kalau tipsi bahasa tempat joki, asal jadi soklet kita kami kita setiap dapat tajuk ubah bersirat dapat tajuk ini. Kata lagi kalau bawah. Omdan melak kini Khubor. Mana yang kejilong pemaham, kejilong tu mesin joki, baru dapat saya kekuat Ibrahim pemaham, kekuat Ibrahim bersyukur. Jadi orang kata apa ni? Air mesin joki, ikut sama juga macam kalian, tolong kita nak kerja. Jadi macam ni kita kami yang bertolak saya.
On January 24th, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, joined by Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, marked a significant step in alleviating traffic congestion in the state, inaugurating 3 foundation stones for new road projects, totaling a whopping 100 crore rupees investment. The initiatives aim to streamline transportation. The roads include a stretch from Lomshiap Belfont to New Shillong Township via Malpat, another from Briba Maupat to IAS Colony Sauli, and the expansion of Shillong Deng Paso Road to a 2-lane highway extended from 14 kilometers to 21.30 kilometers. These developments signal a proactive approach to address the growing traffic concerns in the region.
The land tenure system that we have in Meghalaya. Government alone cannot do anything. The landowners, the headman, the committee of the Shillong, you are also directly linked as stakeholders. It will be just only a dream if you're expecting from the government side. But that can be made into reality if we work together. Yang pertama, ban ong hanli. Nginyo iya kijingker ku ke bansawan. Habini ki kandiat telikis dan ke banwa. Only for this small inauguration function, laying foundation stone function, I calculated it's about 130 crore plus investment is being made by the government. Ban giway kesorkaan ang try katapit pelong amaran pulo. Bani pelong ke function ke bahaya. Ingin kan action speaks louder. Ndon kam ngini keren yaya ke sulok. Action speaks louder. Katang kabangan ban khot ban ong bangin ya klen. Ya kani kecingnya kuangti. Kin perkela ya kecela Meghalaya jadi kamtam ya kani new township. Investment ki bapun ba kapag sorka kalaskan. Sa kendik kelisnen ya ka secretariat. But the office sorkar will be shifted. But mapi kinong ilang stong hakite ki area. Kabaning ko pide ki badon boktam. Hanne po Khuborjylla Meghalaya jongi. Baka capital jongi benda. Ka state capital. Omshu ha ul Shillong. Andai kandai hante po din Shillong.
The last 2 years that we are for the first time seeing a planned and a focused approach to actually make this particular dream of decongesting Shillong into a reality. And while I say that, just so that I can explain that today the presentation given by our Secretary Urban, he was mentioning about creating a better city so that better livable conditions are there. What is important to also note, it's not about just a new Shillong city or the new administrative city that needs to be better. We need to make the current existing Shillong better also. And therefore it is both. So while we create new infrastructure, new Shillong township and new administrative city outside and away from the current Shillong city, what do we do to make Shillong city better also? And hence the decongestion that we do will allow us to not only have a new infrastructure outside, but will allow us to now improve Shillong city as we see it today. And while we're doing that, I hope that all of you must have seen also, and those who did not realize much in terms of the work, that in the last 5 years, the kind of projects that are going on in Shillong as we speak have actually never been done in the past. Large number of urban projects, and you will see as we start inaugurating one after another, you will realize what kind of transformation is actually taking place in Shillong city as we speak. Now when I say that, I'm not saying that we are resolving all the problems. Of course, there are many challenges. But the pace at which the transformation is starting That pace has never been there in the past also. And you will also see many new projects that are going to come up. So for example, when I say that the administrative city is going to shift, our intention is to shift the entire administration, the secretariat, the departments, and bring them under one block. If you can just go back to that presentation. Can I have the presentation, that second slide or third slide where you showed about the new Shillong township? Yeah, next slide. Next. Yeah, just leave it there. Yeah. So that orange section is where the new Shillong township, where the administrative city, where we'll have all the secretariats, all the different kind of government offices, everything will be under one block. And if you go to the next one where the roads, new roads are there, you can just go to new roads. That means last slide, the last slide. Yeah. Is it the one? Yeah, this is the last slide. Yeah, that one. So if you can see the two roads that we're making now, the red and the purple, are going to lead straight to that new.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.